Hi everyone, it's me, Ross, and I will go straight to the point. This is my Google Pixel 9 Pro and I'm using it naked, but this is a little bit stressful situation because you can hurt all the edges, the back glass and the camera lenses because they are exposed in a Google Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL and so on. They are more exposed than the 8 series and 7 series. And for that time of use, I even have some light scratches here on the frame. Nothing special or nothing big, but they are here. A little bit of them you can see here. I have a light scratches, and also the screen is naked. And as I already told you, this is a little bit stressful for me. That's why I will dress up my device today. And for that purpose, I decide to choose Ringke. This is easy slide tempered glass, which should work with this fingerprint scanner. And this is Onyx case with a MagSafe Onyx magnetic Google Pixel 9 Pro black basic case, and this should be their tempered glass easy slide. I will install the glass and then I will install this case. Why I go for this case? Because it's cheap, it's comfortable, and I will make a review of it, a quick one. Just to mention that this is not sponsored by Ringke, just I ordered it from a local store here in Bulgaria, and I just want to show you how it's look like on my device so you can decide to choose it or not. Let's go on. Because guys, we have two packs of this screen protector. One is inserted here in the template and the one is provided for a second chance. The installation should be very smooth, so we have two cleaning kits. I will remove the one and I will use the first one with the first screen protector. What we have inside, of course, we have a microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, squeeze card. This is after everything is done, and also we have a dust removal. Always we are starting with the cleaning wipe. First, you can use your microfiber cloth to remove all the big particles from your screen. All right, I think it's removed. Now we can open the cleaning wipe. That's just a wet wipe. And let's start cleaning our screen. I will go over the edges because we have lots of dust collect on the edges of our device. I think we should be ready with that cleaning cloth. Now we need to wipe it. When it's wiped, we can use this dust removal sticker. This is important part. This will remove any remaining dust from our screen. And you can see I have plenty of them because this is a room and every room has lots of dust in it. The best place probably to install a screen protector is in your bedroom because there is less dust, but no one will do this. That's why I will go here in my recording office. We can use now this part and it's written here top, so this will go on the top of the device. Let's start by putting it on the top. Okay. Okay, when you are inserted it, you need to pull that part. This is the first thing to do. So let's pull it. All right, now this part is removed and I will leave it on the table and press and slide, which is the second part. Press and slide here and do the same here on this part of the screen. Wait it a second. Again, press and slide, press and slide. We need to remove the tray starting from the top. And now squeeze with that card. on the top, on the bottom, on every edge, of course. And keep in mind, if you have any bubbles remain on the screen, they will be removed. Don't be scary. After 24 hours maximum, they will be removed by itself. This was an easy job. And guys, you can see a perfectly installed screen protector on my Pixel 9 Pro without any bubbles or anything. Let's check if the fingerprint is working. Yes, it's unlocking the device. Let's do it one more time. Perfectly working. A perfectly installed screen protector. You can just do that back gesture without touching the edge of the glass, which is a problem for so many glasses. And this one is perfectly installed now. Now let's go and open that Ringke Onyx case with magnetic holder. So easy removal. Just open the case, and this is the case itself. And you can see we have here that MagSafe harder part. It is shock absorption pocket. Here I'm not sure you can read that, but it's written here. And we have these pockets here, shock absorption pockets, and we have a hose for a lanyard. Here we have that grippy part, which I like it, and the back is also very grippy. Cutouts for the loudspeaker, USB-C, microphone, and on the top for the second microphone. On the back we have these camera cutouts, and we have a lip which should protect the cameras. But enough speaking, let's just insert the case and check it how it's going with that newly installed screen protector. And this is probably the perfect combination. Now, this is the case itself, and believe me, it is very grippy. Let's check the buttons. Yes, very clicky buttons, volume buttons and everything. The cutouts here on the bottom part perfectly aligned here. And we have on the bottom and on the top part, I'm not sure you can see it, but we have those lips here on the bottom part and on the upper part. In the upper part it's even bigger, so it can protect better your device. So here the part when you are where you are sliding for that back gesture is lower, so it will be comfortable for you. But the bottom part and the upper part has a bigger lips just to protect your device if you are dropping it like this. Yes, perfectly protected. You have here a smoothened edges, so it will not hurt your palm. It will be perfectly fitting in your hand. And also we have here a raise bar around the camera. We have a big clip on the camera, so it will be protected too. This is the Ringke Onyx magnetic case. Let's check. It's really magnetic with that mag club. Yes, and the magnets are very strong, believe me. I need this magnet because of my car holder, and now we have a very strong magnet here, which I like a lot. And you can use that mag club if you want just to watch a videos or anything. This one is from Banks, but it will work for every magnetic case. So a perfectly working magnetic case, and I like it a lot. It is very protective, it is very grippy and very comfortable in the hand. So it is cover almost everything. Let's check just the last part, which is wireless charging. Here is my wireless charger, and it starts charging. You can see it wirelessly charges. Let's just turn off the screen, turn on again, and fully charged by after an hour maybe. So it is charging our device. You just need to align it very carefully with these wireless chargers and magnetic cases. It is always a problem for me to charge my devices, but probably you will need a MagSafe wireless charger. It will charge it for sure perfectly without any problems, but just keep in mind that these magnetic cases are always a problem with the wireless chargers. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.